Canada 21904, arrived 40, vacate Bravo. What's your gate number? Canada 21904, continue taxiing Alpha Echo to gate 18. Monitor ground 1217, wing clear.
Go to 18 and monitor ground 1217 Air Canada 2194.
19997, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 12 knots.
Clear to land runway 7 Delta 1997.
One 9997, arrived 43, vacate Bravo. Continue Alpha Echo to gate 16, monitor ground 1217.
Alpha exit 16 Delta 1992.
702, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees at 12 knots.
Clear to land 07, watch it 2702.
American 2300 on the RMP 07.
2300, continue approach on A07. Correction, WestJet 2702, arrived 546, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217. 2300, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Okay, clear to land American 2300.
Number 628 Delta Sierra, sangster tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
07.
Tower.
They're telling us about 3 to 5 minutes waiting on gate 1. Do you want us here? Do you want to switch to ground? What works for you?
Alrighty, you can taxi up on Alpha and hold at beam gate 15 until the aircraft is clear from gate 1, and you may monitor ground frequency 121.7.
Order 217, pull up a beam gate 15, American 2300, thank you.
Affirm. November 628 Delta Sierra, arrived 53, vacate on taxiway Bravo. 906, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
906, clear to land, runway 07.
And 28 Sangster Tower, continue approach, runway 07 is currently active, wind is 060 degrees at 12 knots. Say intention.
clear. The intent is to land at 1 echo for refueling. We'll hold it shortly.
From 28 here, cleared to the holding bay, wind is 060 degrees, 11 knots, runway 07 is active. When you're able, air taxi your discretion to 1 echo.
Clear to the holding bay, we enable air taxi to 1 echo. My discretion is Scorpion 28.
Southwest 906 arrived 1-4. Vacate on taxiway Alpha, contact to ground 121.7 when clear of the runway.
And it's 3,800, standing on the RMP 07 approach.
JetBlue 2427, Sangster Tower, roger. Continue approach, runway 07.
Approach runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
Clear to land on runway 07, wind 050 degrees at 12 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
28 on the go, now terminated.
Roger.
Plus 273 is ready.
73, roger, standby.
273.
2162 for the RN207 via Usain.
2162, Sangster Tower. Continue approach, runway 07.
The approach, Condor 2162.
Two-7-3, line up and wait, runway 07.
Up and wait, runway 07, Southwest 273.
JetBlue 2427 arrived at 25, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Vacate Bravo and ground decimal 121.7, JetBlue 2427.
Southwest 273, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 13 knots.
Takeoff, runway 07, Southwest 273.
Door 2162, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 13 knots.
2162, clear to land, runway 07.
Southwest 273, airborne at 26, contact Sangster radar 120.8 today.
Plus 273.
E503 2000, direct up on.
P503 3503 Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07. Condor 2162, arrive 28 to vacate on taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.03, clear to land on way 07, wind 060 degrees at 14 knots.
07, Chasky 503. Good afternoon, American 975, with you on the RNF 7 approach.
9075, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 07.
07, American 975.
Defang 03, arrive 32, vacate taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7. Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 13 knots.
07, American 975. 6 approaching stop for the RMP.
92126, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07. American 975, arrived at 36, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Okay, Bravo and over the ground, American 975.
2126, clear to land on way 07, wind 060 degrees at 13 knots.
7, 2126.
United 2126 arrived 40, vacate on Alpha, contact ground 1217.
733, holding point runway 07, ready for departure.
133, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees at 14 knots.
Off runway 07, following 733.
Wing 733, confirm you have squawk code 6733.
6733, Sunwing 733.
Affirm, that's correct.
Tower Delta 1801 is at Asafa for the RNP, runway 7. Delta 1801, what's you at 4,000?
801, clear to land 07, wind 060 degrees at 13 knots.
7 Delta 1801.
Following 733, you're airborne at 43, contact radar 120.8, so take care.
20.8, Sunwing 733, so long.